It's a blizzard today.
Alright everybody, welcome back to another day here at the log farm. It's been an interesting week. This weekend we had a rare weather phenomenon, and it was in the minus 20s, minus 30s, minus 40s with wind chill factors, and we ended up getting a absolute ton of snow, somewhere between 10 and 14 inches of snow here at the farm, and windy, and it was just an awful mess. One thing I do in the winter, typically we're not as busy. We do Christmas in December, and then we're kind of closed until Sugar Bush in March. So I plow snow, do some commercial lots. A friend of mine in Carleton Place, he does a bunch of contracts, so I help him with that. And so it's been a busy 3 or 4 days, not a whole lot of sleep and lots to do, and plus clean up the farm and everything else. It's just been brutal because it's been so cold. Typically we don't get this much snow when it's cold. So there's more battles with snow and cold and trying to keep the animals warm and fed and everything else. On top of that, this morning, Amy and I went up to the barn to do chores, and the water line from the well to the pump has seemingly froze, and we have no water up there right now. I've put some heat traces on it and trying to get it to thaw out, so hopefully we can get that back. Otherwise, we're gonna have to bring water up from the garage house area up to the barn to water everything, which is probably going to add 2 or 3 hours to our chores every day, so not the biggest thing we need right now. I do have some footage of doing some snow removal that we'll add in here, and just some updates on that. And we had told you guys we were going to do a video once a week, so I thought I'd jam this in here. Anyway, if you're a snowshoer or a cross-country skier or downhill skier or snowmobiler, I'm sure you're loving this stuff, but as for us, it's causing some great grief. So take care for now, folks, and we will talk to you soon.
Cold and snowy and windy. We do our best to keep the animals warm in the winter. When it gets this cold, we do a little bit extra, and I'll show you what we do. I made a big batch of hot oatmeal that some of the animals are going to get. And as well, I am warming up some water so that they can have a warm drink this